Hi there, you are welcome to olyscuisines channel, and from the title you know we are making chicken stew. So if you would love to see this, please keep on watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and we will discuss in the comment section.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so I need to let you know that before I started adding these other spices, I had let the tomato fry properly, and then you know it's fried properly when there's oil floating on top. So the amount of oil that is going to float on top kind of depends on the quantity you use. If you use a lot, then you have to let a lot float on top to know it's done. And then I wanted to let you know that for you to get a very sweet chicken stew, use a lot of chicken seasoning. Yes, like you can mix up different chicken seasoning. It gives it a lot of chicken flavor. Like it really makes the stew taste so amazing. In fact, this works for every other protein. If you have beef seasoning, use it for beef. You have goat seasoning, use it for goat. You have, I don't know if there's turkey seasoning, I don't know, but it really helps with the flavor. It intensifies the flavor of your protein. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Let me know if you've ever used scent leaves for your tomato stew. It takes the stew to another level. I love the taste. So let me know if you've ever tried it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, bye bye.